Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another requested makeup tutorial to use one of the new Tarte Chrome Paint shadow pots that I hauled a while back. So today I decided to use Frose, which is like that strawberry gold type of color. So this is the one that I wanted to use today. I kind of liked it with my shirt. And of course, as I mentioned in the past, I wanted to use more of my Juvia's Place palette. So I'm going to use this Saharan palette today, which is very, very pretty. I do have another look in mind. Someone requested a cool tone look with one of these palettes. So that should be coming up soon as well. So obviously, I did my whole face because it's boring to me and I just skip it. And I did put powder under my eyes as I've been doing recently to catch any fallout if there is any fallout. So to start out with this look, I'm going to go with Katsina, which is this one right here. I'm going to start out with a lighter color this time because I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, but we are going to, where's my mirror? Hold on one. All right, I got my mirror. I'm telling you guys, I'm all out of whack. So I'm going to put this in the crease, obviously, and just use this as my base type of color. And I already primed my eyes, so if you're curious, that has been already taken care of. Oh, goodness gracious, you guys. This is relaxation to me right now because I have had one heck of a week. I'll tell you that much. When you guys see this, obviously, it's already done and over with, but I needed to play with makeup today. I needed a break. I needed to relax. These allergies have been ridiculous this year. It's so bad. And the funny thing is, I recommended a vitamin to my sister because she's been really bad. It helped her. I forgot to buy it for myself. She bought it and she hasn't had any allergies. So I'm actually going to purchase those because I get fall allergies too. So once these allergies get under control, I'm going to start that regimen to help my immune system to be able to battle these because it's driving me insane. I can't stand it. All right, so then I'm going to mix two colors. I'm going to go with Jamila, which is right here, and Sokoto, which is this one right here. I'm going to mix it. One's brighter, one's like a burnt orange, and the other one's like a brighter coral. So I'm going to mix those and concentrate those more in the crease area here. Figured let's do something like this. This is more of something you can actually create with any palette that you have, because this is going to be more of like that orangey, strawberry. I don't know. I might do a pop of color on the lower lash line because you know how I am. You know how I is, and I'm digging the colors. So now we're going to go ahead and get the Tarte Frose. Let me try to put this down here because this, I'm going to use my finger with this. And this will probably have fallout because that's just the nature of the game with these things. See? That is beautiful though. I gotta tell you. I'm sure you could find this in a single shadow. You don't have to buy these. But you know how I am with these shadow pots. I can't help myself. So we're just gonna do this. You can use a wet brush if you want, glitter glue, which will intensify this more. I don't find it so you don't have fallout, but it's your preference. There goes the stopper. I'm just gonna go ahead now and blend the edges. Actually, this turned out pretty nice. Like, I don't really have to blend out too much. Dang, girl. Wow. I am going to go ahead and now clean out all this powder. I think I used too much powder today. So now for my lower lash line, you guys, I think I am going to mix Bororo, I think that's how you say it, and Fula, which are very similar. One's more cranberry, one's more pinky. And I'm going to mix those and put them on my lower lash line because they look stunning. And I think this will look nice with this. Let's see. Gonna blend this in. Well, that does look pretty. For the waterline, I'm going to go with this. I don't even know if these exist either. Jordana 12 Hour Made to Last eyeshadow pencil in Prolong Purple. It's more of a deeper purple, plummier purple. I'm sure you guys have some sort of color like this in your collection of eye pencils because it's very, very common. It's just I prefer the Jumbo Shadow Stick formula because my eyes are very finicky. All right, so that's what the eye looks like. I'm gonna do just a black line to cover the lashes, do mascara, put on my lashes, and then we're gonna return to finish the face. Okay, so I went with a little bit more natural lashes this time just because the look is not super dramatic like I've been doing lately. So for blush, I'm gonna use this Annabelle Marie My collection. It's called Cobra. This is a blush that Drea sent me. It's beautiful. I've already used it. So I'm just going to bounce it once because this is very, very pigmented. And I'm just going to tie the, I kind of want to do like a whole coral look. So I'm going to put this on my cheeks very lightly because this blush is serious. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this oldie but goodie. It's my Stila All Over Duo Shimmer in Kitten, which looks like this. This is one of my first highlighters I ever bought. And it was this duo right here. I love using this for brides and for weddings. And I'm just going to mix both of them together. I think they're both absolutely beautiful, very natural, but yet you could see it. I love this highlighter. And the fact that it brings a mirror, isn't that cute? I'm going to grab the gold color right here and use this in my inner corner. Now for lips, you can go either way. You can go with the orange on your eyes or a pink color from the bottom. I'm going to go with the orange. I'm going to go with Maybelline's Craving Coral, which is one of my favorite oranges. So I'm going to go ahead, line my lips as usual, and then fill it in with that lip product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun doing this one. I had no idea what I was going to do as always, and they seem to always turn out pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will list all the products down in the description box. As always, if you have any requests, please leave them down in the comment section. I love to do those for you guys so you guys can see the products that you want to see being used on camera. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.